Global manufacturing is a key contributor to resource utilization, pollution, and waste, all of which have negative impacts on the natural environment. As the world transitions towards a greener economy, factories must do their part in improving sustainability. Welcome to the ILO's video series, Simple Steps to a Decent Factory. Today, we addressed achieving cleaner production while boosting productivity. Cleaner production involves using fewer resources or inputs for production and creating less waste, all while producing the same or more of your products. It also involves eliminating the use of toxic raw materials, which impact the health of workers. Waste management can be better understood in terms of the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Reduce means to cut back on the amount of waste. Reuse means to find new ways to use things that otherwise would be waste. Recycle means to turn something old and unusable into something new and useful. Remember that resources that cannot be reduced, reused, or recycled should be disposed of responsibly. Cleaner production is better for the environment, workers, and the factory's bottom line, as it involves increasing efficiency and in turn boosting profitability. A factory manager can take these 10 simple steps to practice cleaner production. Step 1. Establish your baseline of consumption. Measure the current quantities of water, light, gas, fuel, and coal used to maintain production. This ensures a system of continuous monitoring to track changes over time. Step 2. Ensure responsible use of electricity. Run regular maintenance of machines and install individual switches to machines, as well as a central switch for easy shutoff in each line and section. Enforce simple everyday acts such as turning lights off when not in use. These small efforts add up over time. Cool the interior sustainably. Look at possible alternative materials for roofing tiles and increasing greenery around and on buildings. Step 3. Ensure responsible use of water. Install nozzles, automatic valves, push taps, and sub-water meters, limiting waste. Think creatively about collecting rainwater and using it for tasks such as housekeeping. Ensure wastewater is utilized in washing and dyeing and treated to remove hazardous contamination before being disposed of or reused. Step 4. Establish a responsible maintenance team. They will ensure regular repair of leaks and monitor facilities. Have them adjust existing equipment so that less resources are wasted. Also, empower workers to report leaks and waste. This will also make for a safer workplace. Step 5. Calculate key indicators. When ordering materials, ensure you're receiving just the amount that you need. As a general guideline, excess ordering should be limited to 3%. Additionally, inspect at least 10% of new materials and report defective quantities. You can then accept or reject new materials based on inspection results. Step 6. Build a sustainable material management system. Unload, tag, and store materials with care and in a systematic manner to ensure efficient use and to avoid materials getting lost, damaged, or expired. Step 7. Review and adjust production processes. This will minimize waste of materials at every step. Collect unavoidable waste and reuse it in the same or different parts of the production process. Step 8. Ensure good housekeeping practices. Check the factory regularly for dampness, sunlight, and dust to address respiratory health issues among workers and avoid materials getting damaged. Step 9. Reduce waste by limiting packaging while keeping the goods well protected. As one example, you can introduce the use of reusable covers versus a disposable one. Step 10. Invest in new technologies. This reduces resource utilization and improves efficiency during assembly. While the initial investment may be expensive, this transition will often end up saving you money in the long run. As the global economy moves towards more sustainable production, measuring and tracking your factory's environmental impact will be increasingly important. The following are the key performance indicators you should include: energy consumption per unit of production, water consumption per unit of production or per employee, and overall material waste. Cleaner production is a win-win strategy, and by taking these simple steps, you can help protect the environment, consumers, and workers, while also improving industrial efficiency, profitability, and competitiveness. Here's a recap of the 10 steps to improve your enterprise and move into cleaner production. To learn more about this topic and others related to factory improvement, check out the Factory Improvement Tools at the ILO's Peer Learning Hub.